Welcome to a reaction video, and no, I'm not reacting to any music, ironically. But I'm reacting to a very funny YouTuber of the COD Zombies universe. This one is a MASCHINE Experience on Black Ops Cold War Zombies. And I have watched this person's videos many times. I've watched the meme they're toting. And God. So many references, so many laughs. But anyway, without further ado, you should very much you know what? I'll wait for the whole thing in the end. Oh God, that's a lot of music. That's great. Anyway, let's do it.
Use your fists because that's not how we maximize points. We're gonna use knives, alright? Knives, Tmal. No. Oh, boy, come on.
Seen some pretty freaky
Oh my God,
shit.
DDP.
I seen some pretty freak ass off the wall type motherfucking.
Yeah! Open more doors.
I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer move.
Money!
What?
What's up, bro?
If players were zombies, that would be how it happened.
Turned out the lights.
I'm Travis Scott.
Oh my God. What? Wait, what?
Well, you got the money to get covered.
Oh my God.
How much longer?
How'd you do that?
I like that.
I've never seen that. Hold on. What?
When you played zombies so much, you realize you can't even
Finally awake.
like you realize and remember, because you played zombies so much, you cannot mount, not sneak. Oh no, not the wall in the paint. No, get that Stranger Things shit out of here.
What is that? Hey.
Mystery box. What's the first gun going out?
Do you see me fucking laughing?
Hey yo, wait a minute. Hey.
Fuck confused.
Oh my
Box is all the way
God.
down here. Oh, and then there's the anomaly. It's actually right here. That's weird. Oh! Yeah! Yo!
No. No. That's not a good thing to happen. That is fart. Suck.
For the little Quay.
Get that weak shit out of here.
Chill. Yeah, it's another
Chill. No.
Tonight's forecast. A fleas.
That's from Mr. Freeze himself in the DC universe.
You fucking bitch, why you bullying me?
Electricity.
Thunder, take you.
Oh my No,
Oh, you bastards, that were my kills. Come on, strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the balls.
he has the balls.
Make your way over to the crash site near the Aether portal and immediately the small box.
He has the balls.
What the fuck? Stop playing.
Our game is glitched, fellas. I hate to say it.
Alright, we'll do the exfil for the extra XP and shit, because we're pretty decked out.
You won't. We're not gonna be able to finish the exfil. We won't
I
be
reckon
able
we
to.
will. Yeah, we got one weapon and some shit.
Hold
No. Welcome to the D Machine Easter egg guide. This is the most
Another Noah
simple Easter egg
reference.
guide that I can make for this map. Without further ado,
You can tell Tmal loves Noah. You can tell.
Oh, that's the boss.
Where the fuck I am?
Is this what G Fuel does for me? Are we in the boss fight now?
I think so. Yeah.
We're in the boss fight. The boss fight revolves around protecting Orlov while he destroys the machine in 3 phases. Orlov, we just need to protect him.
Will you cut that out?
Yo, we got this, baby.
Yeah.
Man, this is some bullshit!
Here we go again.
Then let's start over here. And then look, we can run. We can take this run. Oh, fuck. All right, here goes.
Falls in the void. Hey.
Get the hell out of there.
Go. Oh, don't hit the beams of light. No, pick me up. I have a ray gun.
Oh my god. That hits you hard when someone yells at you. Hey, get me up, I got the ray gun.
Let's go.
Even I don't do that, because I couldn't care at all. Pick me up.
Kick back, enjoy yourself.
Oh. Anyways, subscribe to Tmal. When you play a zombies game that has the ray gun, never tell your teammates to get you up because you have the ray gun, because that's just gonna hit you right in the back of the noggin quicker than God can strike, than Zeus can strike you down. But anyways, subscribe to Tmal, like his videos, get the damn bell, I don't care. Do what you must with Tmal. And if you haven't already, done do that, subscribe, man. I mean, look at me. I'm at 38 subscribers. And you know what? I honor that. Why? Because of all of the very short years. Like, boy, very first video ever made on this channel. Being a freaking God Almighty, kill me now deal. I still find it ironic. The most views I've ever gotten out of any video ever was my fifth reaction. Yeah, my 5th reaction video. That's the most views I've ever gotten. Oh, get out of here. You saw nothing. You didn't see Space Runner pop up as a notification. You didn't see. Still find it so ironic that my 5th reaction video is the most views I've gotten in all of these videos that I've done. But I feel like, oh crap, I was wrong. The video with Glitch Tail 2 years ago, my god. So long ago. But yeah, that count that I was using when I did the Roblox stuff here, I'm gonna assume it was corrupted or something, because I can't even sign into it. So, yeah. Anyways. If you like this reaction video, do subscribe, hit the bell, check out my other videos, check out my practically karaoke. Hell, check out my latest video, which was 8 days ago, was me singing Count the Ways Freddy's lines from Kyle Music's Fazbear's Frights Book 1, Count the Ways song. If you want to. Listening to me suffer. But anyway, have a nice day. Subscribe, like, hit the bell, check out Tmal, subscribe to him, check out his videos. Have a good day. Yeah.